In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get more views on YouTube with some YouTube SEO tips. As of recording this video, in the last 48 hours, my channel generated 4,100 views. Let's get started. Hello there, welcome to another video brought to you by BeetsMedia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get more views on YouTube. Right now we're looking at the analytics page in the old Creator Studio. Let me show you guys how to get there real quick. Okay, so you're on your main page, click on your profile picture, and then you're going to want to go to YouTube Studio. Now, once you're there, you could choose to click on the Analytics tab, and this will show you the new Analytics page, but me personally, I'm not a huge fan of it as of right now, maybe because I'm not used to it. So if you want to see the old page, go to Other Features, click on More. From there, scroll down over to the Analytics tab, and here we are. So like I said, right now, I'm generating over 4,000 views in the last 48 hours. And if you look at my Social Blade stats, I only have 58 live videos right now. Scrolling down, you can see my views on my channel, pretty much like 1,000 to 2,000 views a day. And I've also gained a decent amount of subscribers over the past couple of days. And that's the result of one of my videos doing really well with YouTube SEO. So let me search that video for you guys. I'm in incognito right now, just so that my YouTube profile doesn't affect the search. So this is the keywords that I was targeting. How much do YouTubers make? So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see my video is actually on the front page. My video with about 300 views is showing up with the same results as these videos who have over 29,000, 3,000, or 300,000, 500,000. So we're about on the same level. Even though I don't have as many views, I was able to utilize the YouTube SEO to have my video placed better. Also, on another keyword that I was targeting, how much money do YouTubers make? I am the fifth result. As you can see, my video is right down here. So how did I do this? So a little advice for those of you guys who are just getting started with YouTube, you have to make videos that people will search for, especially if you don't have any type of following like on Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. I have no way of advertising my new videos to any group of people. So I try to cater my videos to people who will search for a particular term. Before I do any video, I do a bunch of keyword research, and I'll make another video about that in the very near future. But in terms of YouTube SEO tips on how to get more views, let's go over that. Let's go over my tactics for this particular video. So as you can see here, I have a very nifty Chrome extension called vidIQ. Google vidIQ and you should be able to find the Chrome extension and download it. So going on to my actual video here. Today I'm going to show you. Okay, I don't want to, whoa, this is kind of freaky stuff. All right, so as you can see at this point, it has 600 views. Wow. Okay, so I knew the keyword I wanted to target. So the keyword was how much money do YouTubers make? And obviously that is exactly the same as the keyword that autofills in the search section. So I knew that was going to be a good keyword. And one of the things I did was I made sure to include that in the first line of my description. First thing in the title, you want your keyword to be there. First thing in the description. And also if you open up my show more, I have a brief summary of what this video is going to be about, and I also include my keyword once again, the two keywords that I plan to target. Now if you hover over to my tags, you'll also see that the first tag that I included was how much do YouTubers make, and the secondary tag that I was trying to target. So for me, whenever I do keyword research, I try to look for two similar keywords that I'm trying to target. So obviously for this video, I tried to target how much do YouTubers make, in addition to how much money do YouTubers make. And once you include your keywords in your title, in your description, and a brief summary that also includes those keywords and also include them higher up in the tags, you could actually see how well you're placing in terms of search with your tags. Let me show you how to do that. Again, just going back to my main screen, going over your profile picture, YouTube Studio, other features, and more. Go to Video Manager, go over to the video that you would like to do research on, click on Edit. So with that vidIQ Chrome extension I was talking about, you could actually see how well your video is placing in terms of the tags. As you can see here, I'm placed number 1 for these particular tags. And as a result, going back to my analytics again, let's see here, this particular video, how much money YouTubers make. Let's go over that in real time here. Okay, so you can see over the past 48 hours, it generated 500 views. And here's how many views it generated within the last 60 minutes, so within the last hour. And you can see I had a really nice spike last night around 11 to midnight. 32 people viewed it. So this is how to get get more views on YouTube in 2019, for us smaller channels, you're going to have to target people that are actually going to be searching for your particular video, because let's face it, you could upload 20 Fortnite videos of you getting a win, but what's separating you from the rest of the Fortnite creators? What's separating you from the rest of the tech channels, makeup channels, whatever? So I hope this video helped you guys out on how to get more views on YouTube with some YouTube SEO tips. If you guys have any specific questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you guys haven't already, feel free to subscribe. This has been a video brought to you by BeetsMedia, a channel dedicated to helping you build your secondary income and manage your finances. And we also do YouTube tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.